My name is Yasir. I'm a senior lecturer in pharmacy practice and a specialist antimicrobial pharmacist. I've been making creative content for Micropharm for 2 years now, and a large proportion of my followers are students. So I want to explore some ways in which you can generate a revenue part-time. So within my week of my creative process, I have to do several things. I have to do several things in relation to replying to emails, handling orders, as well as managing my social media. So what does it entail to manage my social media? So really, if you want to generate interactions with your followers, you have to be posting daily. That means I have to have at least one Instagram post every day, one TikTok post every day, and I have to be producing YouTube videos. There are a lot of aspects to that role that can become quite boring and repetitive. One main aspect that becomes quite boring and repetitive is editing videos. The large proportion of creators hate editing videos. This is essentially where you can take advantage of this and provide a service for creators. So the first thing I would tell anyone to do, regardless of whether they're a creator or not, is to be acquainted with the editing process. And by being acquainted with the editing process, I mean professional video editing. You can learn about 2 different softwares, and you have the option of learning about 2 different softwares. You can learn about Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can also learn Final Cut Pro. Both of these are software that are used for video editing, and being acquainted with the video editing process, you can provide video editing services to creators. So how do you connect with creators? One of the websites that I use myself, and it's a great way to connect with video editors, is Fiverr. Fiverr is a way for you to provide freelance services to creators to make that process for creators a lot easier. Once you're acquainted with the video editing process, you can essentially provide these services to creators. You can find several courses to learn about the video editing process on Skillshare. I will provide a link below, and that link will provide you with 1 month free on Skillshare for premium content. Within that month, you can easily cover 1 course on the video editing process. So be sure to click the link below, and by clicking the link below and signing up, you can receive 1 month free on Skillshare. Within that 1 month, find a course for either Premiere Pro editing or Final Cut Pro editing, depending on whether you want to do this on a Mac or you want to do this on Windows. The other thing that you have to consider is the cost of Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro can be purchased alongside other softwares for a price of approximately $199 or £199 as a student if you are a student. There's also an Adobe package for students where it's a small monthly fee that allows you to access Adobe Premiere Pro as well as other Adobe softwares. Other things you can also learn are editing for producing Instagram posts or Instagram stories, and again, these are activities that you could freelance your services for. Another thing I would say is to reach out to small creators with 1,000 subscribers, creators with 3,000 to 4,000 Instagram followers, to ask if they're interested in you handling some of the creative process for them. From my experience, I've connected with many small businesses just by reaching out to them and saying what I can provide for them. With regards to the video editing process, just providing the ability to trim videos from a 15-minute video into a 5-minute video can be a very simple process, and it's something that you can pick up within the next few weeks. And then you can take that to the next level, and you can learn about adding text to videos, transitions, and also creating subtitles for videos. Hopefully these are things that you can try out to provide an extra income, and if you are successful with this process, then be sure to contact me and let me know how you get on. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.